operations is to find the extreme function, extreme value of a function. Simply say functional is a function of functions. Like for example, pi is a function of y and y double prime. So we say this is a functions. You can choose y double prime is another function. Okay, functions to cause this functional extreme. Extreme means the minimum or maximum. Okay. So this is a extremely low. That functional is quite close to the extreme value of function. Or single variable, multiple variables.泛函我们要找的就是一个函数，一个函数跟它的各阶微分，会使得这个函数达到极大的极效。那这个跟函数的极大极效很类似。我们到微积分，我不是教 in calculus we learn how to find the maximum and minimum value of the function， 学过吧？怎么做？一阶微分。Because in the there's some correspondence between the way to find the functional and functions. So we have three questions have to rise. First one is the required property of the function. Second, we have to learn the criteria of the existence of extreme value. What the criteria? What the rule? Okay. Third is how to evaluate it is maximum or minimum. So we have similar problem to based on our experience on the maximum value of function. Okay? And so also the boundary is another important in function analysis. Some are fixed boundary condition, some are movable boundary condition. Okay? But those I will mention later on. So first, today, I will start to review the way we find the maximum or minimum of some functions from functions. problem for function. Okay, function. So for example given one variable function. For example, this is a variable, one variable, and this is a function f(x). It has something like this. For a problem in the domain A to B. So this is domain. I'm interested about the range of my independent variable. And here I have a local extreme value. Okay. So we have the first thing. Fx has an absolute maximum over an interval I is interval I. Interval I if there exists a point x0 such that fx smaller than f and x0 for all x in I. Right? So like this problem here at this point x0 I have a fx0. So this value is larger than any x this point. So this is absolute, the whole domain, over my domain. So this is absolute. If locally, if fx has a relative or local maximum at x1, xp, or xi, right? xi. If there is some neighborhood NSI, which is a subset subset of I, such that fx smaller than fxi for x in the neighborhood of xi. Therefore, this is a x bar, and this is a neighborhood of x bar. And here, all the f, so this for this globally either this way or this way. So this value, this is fx. So this is df. df is equal to fx minus fx. It's smaller than the. So this is a local maximum. Center point here is local maximum. So absolute maximum should be a local maximum. 绝对极大值跟局部相对极大值 ，local 跟 global。So from the theory, what we find as a local maximum, we have the criteria. Now let's extend to the theory for multiple variable. The theory for f s1, s2, sn variable equal to the f t. Okay. 2 10. A maximum or minimum. At an interior point P0 of the region it is necessary that partial f, partial x1, partial f, partial x2, to partial f, partial xn, all vanish, really vanish at P0 this point. Okay. P0 is an n-dimension variable. Okay. 分布变数的一个 vector. Okay. P vector is an n-dimension. All vanish. Or that some of them fail to exist. This is a very interesting condition. Necessary either all or partially vanish. Okay, and even partially, some not, but partially vanish. So, okay, if all are not vanish, then it's not. It cannot be. This is for this. Okay. So if it has a maximum or minimum, that means its first derivative at the point should be valid. vanish, the derivative vanish, or partially vanish. Okay? So why we have this kind of partially vanish? Let me give you an example. Gxy, this function is equal to x fourth power plus y absolute value. When you play with mathematics, anytime when you make absolute value, be careful. It's called a wrong problem. Okay? So let's see. Partial g, partial x equal to 1. Now, partial g partial x equal to 1. And partial g, partial y, what is? You don't know how to do it, right? So anytime when you need some trick back to the original definition of derivative, can you tell me the derivative of this partial derivative? G x y plus delta y minus g x y divided by delta y as limit delta y equal to 0. So this is the definition of derivative about y. Okay,
它没电，
有充电。
要换电池。